Good morning, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to this morning news report right here on RK Network. Let's begin. Authorities searching for suspect in shooting before Maine fireworks show. Juvenile male victim was shot and has non-life-threatening injuries. Authorities are searching for an 18-year-old they claim shot and injured a 16-year-old boy in Naples, Maine. The causeway along Route 302 was shut down Tuesday night after the shooting. The shooting happened around 7 p.m. as people were gathering for the town's annual 4th of July fireworks display. The victim suffered non-life-threatening injuries and was taken to Bridgeton Hospital and later transported to Maine Medical Center in Portland by Life Flight. The incident canceled the display. The suspect is not believed to be armed. Cumberland County Sheriff Kevin Joyce told Maine's Total Coverage his office knows who the suspect is. We're hunting down leads now. I encourage the shooter, if he knows who he is, to turn himself in because we will keep hunting through the night to find him, Joyce said. The suspect is to be 5 feet 8 inches and 120 pounds with blue eyes and blonde hair. He was later seen wearing blue jeans, a gray sweatshirt, and a black hat. No one else was injured in the shooting. If anyone sees a suspect or has information, they are asked to call 911. And that did it for this morning news report right here on RK Network. Thank you for tuning in and watching. Have a great day, everyone, and goodbye.